Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how to download Filmora video straight from Filmora to your device storage. If you are done with editing your video and want to save or export it to another platform, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app and select the video which you want to download. After you select the video, you'll see an option called export on the top right corner of the screen. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Then you'll see an option called free export. If you want to pay a certain price and download it without the watermark and in HD quality, you need to pay and buy the premium version. But if you want to download it for free, simply go ahead and tap on free export. Then your video will start downloading to your device. And this is it. Now you guys know how to download your video from Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I will help you with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.